In this video, we'll look at the basic concepts of sample spaces and probability. A probability experiment is a chance process that leads to well-defined results called outcomes. Examples of probability experiments include flipping a coin, rolling a die, or drawing a card from a deck. An outcome is the result of a single trial of a probability experiment. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of a probability experiment. When a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. However, when two coins are tossed, there are four possible outcomes. You could have two heads, one head and one tail and one head, or two tails. The reason that we differentiate having one head and one tail and one head is that there are different coins involved. I made these circles with a quarter and a nickel. You can see that the second circle is always slightly smaller than the first one. Here's an example. We want to find the sample space for rolling two dice. Solution is that each die can be rolled 6 different ways, and we present the sample space as an array. So here we have the first die and its results 1 through 6. Here we have the second die and its results 1 through 6. And then we just set up an ordered pair for every possible pair. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and so on. The columns and rows have the same pairs, but since they're ordered pairs, the order matters. A tree diagram is a device consisting of line fragments emanating from a starting point and also from the outcome point. It is used to determine all possible outcomes of a probability experiment. In this example, we're going to use a tree diagram to find the sample space for the gender of 3 children in a family. The solution, making things simple for ourselves, there are 2 possibilities, boys or girls. At each position. And we choose a starting point, then put out 2 branches labeling one B and the other G, and repeat this until we have extended the tree out 3 levels. So I start up here, going to the left, I have B, a boy, going to the right, I have G for a girl. And I repeat this process at every intersection, at every outcome point, I think that's what we called it, yeah, outcome point, until we've gone down 3 levels. So we find the sample space is BBB, BBG, BGB, BGG, GBB, GBG, GGB, GGG. Basically, boy, 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 girl, and so on. An event consists of a set of outcomes of a probability experiment. An event can be one or more outcomes. An event with one outcome is called a simple event. An event with multiple outcomes is called a compound event. Here's a formula for classical probability. The probability of any event E is the number of, this is supposed to be in the next video. We'll get back